action.
Action!
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's Trinidad here and Mommy. And today, we're going to be making cookies.
What type of cookies we're making?
Chocolate chip.
Ooh, I love chocolate chip cookies. Okay,
So you're going to need a pan.
And don't mind our rusty pan.
Well, we're going to get a new one.
And what we're
If
going
we
to
get one.
We're going to...
We got the foil. Foil, whatever they call foil. I forgot. It's the same thing. So, yeah.
And you got to like bend it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And then we're going to taste it at the end. Only if we have, well, that would say, only if we have sprinkles, but we already have decorations. It is chocolate chips.
Alright.
What if we add cereal to it?
Cereal?
It'll be good, guys. Comments from me.
Oh gosh. Okay. So let's read the instructions. It says preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
So I'm gonna put it to 350.
Go ahead, you do it.
How do you do this?
So hit bake. Okay. And it's already on 350, so hit start.
So you just start.
All right, and it says pre, because it is preheating. Okay.
So just gonna let that heat right now.
And then I'm gonna set this back up. And then, so what is the next step, say, Trinae? You read it to me, okay?
Okay. It says bake 11. Oh.
No, you skipped the whole row.
Bake 1.
Right here.
Preheat oven to 350 F.
Fahrenheit. We've already did that. It says Fahrenheit. She said F.
See, you guys, can y'all read that?
Hey, what's the next instruction?
Bake along P-scored lines. Place.
Wait a minute now.
On agreed baking.
Let me see. It says break along pre-scored lines. It says break along pre-scored lines. Break.
Oh, like with the cookies.
Break along pre-scored lines. Place 12 cookies 2 inches apart on an ungreased baking sheet. So ungreased means we don't have to grease it. Yay!
Well, I do. It's fun when you grease it because it tastes more bitter and sweeter. But they still sweet.
Okay.
So I gotta still open it. And the cookies are like squares. They smell good.
Are we gonna make them all?
Do you want to? If you want to.
That is the question of the day.
What is it gonna be?
I say we just make like 10.
10? How about 11?
Okay.
Got it, I guess.
Okay, so let me help you. It says break along the line.
So we're gonna break. See?
Just like this.
Oh. Just a break. So guys, while she's breaking them, I'm gonna put them on YouTube breaking. Can y'all see it?
Okay.
So guys, somebody call Mommy. We're back. And
we're back and we're better.
Yeah, and nobody's gonna call us again.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
We put the cookies on the tray. Now we just need, how much we just gonna make? 11.
11.
So we're just gonna, we save us some cookies, so if we wanna make more. Like, this can be for cheer practice. But I really Are they good? They taste like they're done already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I love cookies though.
And my mom is greedy.
I love cookie dough. I'm just supervising.
How about a little?
Is that more than 11?
Okay. Yeah. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay, you gotta
6,
spread
7,
them out.
8, 9.
And I'm
Yeah,
saying
11.
these. Because I love cookies.
We love cookies. Let me get one.
Tell me what it tastes like.
Tastes like ice cream.
Cookies with ice cream.
Cookies and cream. Okay, let's stop. But so good. Even if it's not in the oven.
It says to bake for 11 to 13 minutes.
11 to 13. So good, y'all. And we're gonna test it at the end and see if we did a good job, a little bit, or a bad job.
So you have to like space them out.
I spaced them.
You heard that beat?
It's ready.
That means it's ready to go into the oven because it's preheated or whatever. You want to put it in the oven? I'm not scared.
I'm not sure. We're going on a bear hunt.
A bear hunt?
How about ooh, it's hot. How about you put it in?
No, you put it
I
in.
know. I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Scared.
Just
Well,
slide.
what if it burns?
Don't touch the rail.
I am because I gotta put them in.
Well, you can't just touch the rail.
Go ahead. All you gotta do is slide it in the rail. Don't touch the rail.
But I am because I got to put it down.
Just slowly slide it underneath.
Yeah.
Why are you scared?
Cause
Why are you scared?
Because it's not
She's scared of everything, yo. All you have to do is do that. You don't have to touch nothing. Just simply do that.
Mommy, you see, you just touched it.
I didn't touch nothing.
Okay, so let's get back to what we were going to.
What are we gonna do?
Just wait.
Let's do 11 minutes.
Because we got 11 cookies.
So
just
go to
wait.
timer. Timer. Go over it.
Timer.
Now hit the plus button and do 11. All the way to 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then hit
Start.
start. And there you go.
And guys, if you didn't know, we got a new house. Or if
I
mommy already told them that. Sorry. Oven lights. See how it cooks. Can y'all see it? We need to scroll it.
Here.
Can y'all see it? It's cookie biscuit. Y'all, this is maybe oh, I see it. It's going down.
It is not going down like that, girl.
See, mommy, look. Yay! Get that.
Oh, shoot. Oh, almost fell. Oh, they're not done yet. They're not done yet, Trina.
They are done. I'm ready.
No, they're not. It gotta go like... So 3 more minutes. Let's put it 3 more minutes.
So guys, the cookies were, they said they were ready, but they really wasn't. So we're just gonna wait on the couch.
We're gonna wait another 3 minutes, okay?
More 3 minutes? Guys, comment down below if you think that's a lot or, no, a little bit or a lot. I think it's a little bit. This the thing.
They're still not ready?
2 more minutes will be good.
Wait a minute now.
Wait a minute, y'all. These cookies should be ready.
What's your thing?
Y'all, should we taste them? No, because then we're gonna have to put it back in the oven with our bites on it.
Or what?
Our bites on it. Yeah, that thing doesn't look ready. Did we do something wrong? Did we? Comment down below. Did we do something bad?
I don't know why. I think they're ready. I think they just need to sit. So let's do this. Let's cut off the oven and just let it sit.
No,
for
how about we take them out instead? Then let them sit.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Here,
Sorry.
I'm doing it. Oh, they might be done for real.
They done. They look done, guys.
They might be done.
So we're gonna go get something ready. We're gonna get our plates ready. So we
gotta
can
let them cool down. But I think they look kind of ready. What you think, Shanae?
Good.
Okay, we're gonna let them cool for like 5 minutes or so. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, I hope.
And we're back.
And we're back. And we didn't eat the cookies.
She's such a follower.
Well, you just said
You're
it so
such a
loud. You just said it so loud.
Okay. Back to these cookies, though.
This is how it turned out.
Well, don't. See, cookies came out really good, guys. You want to taste? You go first.
Let's go.
Cookie monster. Oh, wow. Oh, make you wanna stop. Come on now, stop, come on now. Woo, woo, woo. Yo, this cookies is banging. What you say?
Awesome.
AWE.
We're awesome, 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 awesome. So
These are good. You did a good job.
well, they were good.
Okay. Well, I think that's it. That's all I got for YouTube.
No,
Hey,
let me say
video.
something. Sorry. HWE.
Why does she think there's an H in the word awesome?
They're awesome, 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 awesome. So,
God bless.
God
bless.
Bye, guys. But before you leave, click that subscribe button, turn notification, give me a huge thumbs up. We love you guys.